ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. VVSM ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಟ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ನಗರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ PUC ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ತರಗತಿಗಳು. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಜನೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಮ್ಮ VVSM ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಿಂದ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಂಥನ ಹಡಗು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು RVSM 187 Marine Survey and Exploration Indian Ocean Expedition Geological Survey of India. This is my personal experience when I was working in the Geological Survey of India, Ministry of Mines, Government of India. GSA commenced a systematic survey of the seabed within exclusive economic zone. Abbreviation stands for exclusive economic zone is EEZ. In pursuance of the Charter of Geological Survey of India, the main emphasis of marine survey has been seabed mapping and exploration for non-living resources in the offshore sector, in the EEZ, and in the international waters, that is territorial waters of India. The various thrust areas identified to cater to the needs and challenges of the nation and fulfilling the short-term and long-term socio-economic needs. They compass baseline data collection, geological and geophysical assessment of offshore mineral potential, geochemical scan for hydrocarbons, basic research and development in furtherance of understanding of various processes of earth science, industrial and port development, evaluation of natural processes and thereby mitigating the damages due to the natural hazards, historical and archaeological evolution of coastal areas. This is the coastal area, the continental shelf. This is the land and territorial sea 12 nautical miles from baseline of the territory of the land, and the exclusive economic zone is up to 200 nautical miles from baseline, and this is the high sea or the deep sea area covered by deep sea. An exclusive economic zone, what is a nautical mile? My dear friends, a nautical mile is a unit of measurement based in air, marine and space navigation. And for the definition of territorial waters, historically it was defined as 1 minute of latitude among any line of longitude. Today, the International Nautical Mile is defined as exactly 1,852 meters. That is, 1 nautical mile is equal to 1,852 meters, which can be converted into kilometers is 1.852 kilometers. This is the sea areas of the international waters and the national, that is territorial waters of India. This is the land, internal waters, mean low water baseline. This is the exclusive economic zone. Those is 200 nautical miles. International waters, outside territorial waters is called international waters. Afterwards it is continental waters. My dear friends, sea voyage is nothing but if you are very near to your land, your Indian shore, that is territory, peninsular country. India is a peninsular country. So up to 12 nautical miles, it is a contiguous zone, and up to 200 nautical miles if you go away into the sea, exclusive economic zone. Further, if you go into the sea, that is the territorial waters of India. Outside territorial, that is up to territorial waters, that is exclusive economic zone. After, if you go beyond the territorial waters, it is continental shelf, is nothing but international waters of the planet Earth. Well, friends, exclusive economic zone (EEZ) is a sea zone prescribed by the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, over which a sovereign state has special rights regarding the exploration and use of marine resources, including energy production from water and wind. It stretches from the baseline out of 200 nautical miles. In colloquial usage, the term may include the continental shelf. The term does not include either the territorial sea or the continental shelf beyond 200 nautical miles limit. This is the India. This is the territorial waters of India. The white land or white area. This is Arabian Sea. This is the Indian Ocean. This is Bay of Bengal, and this is Andaman Sea. This is our territory, Indian territory. So these are the very important things to know as a citizen of India. This is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, comprising 572 islands. My dear friends, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is around totally 572 islands are there, in which 37 are inhabited. That means islands are a group of islands situated in Bay of Bengal or Andaman Sea. This place have beautiful geo-heritage site. For example, Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep, Andaman Island. This is Welcome to Ross Island. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island area. Long Island, Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then Rangat, Havelock Island, and Little Andaman, and Car Nicobar, and Sumatra, and Great Nicobar Islands. This is from Chennai. We have traveled by air to the Port Blair. This is another island of Andaman Sea. It's very beautiful to look up, and this is the view of the world map of this island, Barren Island. My dear friends, this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the Barren Island, active volcano of the unique Barren Island, a small volcanic island which is a part of the Andaman Island group of the Andaman Sea, west of Malaysia, began in a new eruptive phase late 1994. And the current eruption was surveyed by a team of Indian scientists in January 1995. At the time, they thought the eruption was on initial stage and gaining momentum. The STS-6 crew noticed the volcanic plume early in their flight and had several opportunities to document the ongoing eruption of the Barren Island volcano. This view taken March 14 shows a healthy volcanic plume rising several thousand feet into the atmosphere. The main plume drifts westward over Andaman Island, although a smaller plume close to ground is being dispersed to the south. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening, my dear friend. This is VSM Academy. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.